Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey girl, my name is Tori, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I have this beautiful headband wig that was sent to me by Petalwigs. So make sure you guys check them out, check out their Instagram and go to their website and see what they got. I really do like this hair. It's pretty curly hair and it is so soft, and y'all, this style is so easy and just so quick to do when you're on the go, when you don't have your hair done and you don't feel like looking crusty. You can literally just throw on this headband wig and look like you got some real, some real luscious hair. Girl, what are you talking about? This is my hair. What do you mean? This is my hair, okay? So if you're interested in seeing on how I got this look, make sure you keep watching. So I've already slicked my hair back into this little ratchet bun and just pulled out some of my edges to, do some little swoops or whatever. So I'm gonna use my edge brush and this She's Bomb Goo to do my edges. So I want to try to do like some little fancy swirls, but I've never really done that, so we're gonna see how this turns out. So I actually just switched to some eco styler because that bomb goo is too like sticky and I can't move it around like I need to. And a hairnet and some lashes. I love how they send all these little goodies and ask for the wig. I believe this is like 18 inches, but I'm not completely sure. But it is curly hair. So this is what it looks like, and it has the headband with some Velcro on the end and 2 combs. Okay, so we're gonna see how this looks. So I'm literally just gonna put it on. Okay, it feels really secure already. Let me pull it up a little bit. Okay, so I went ahead and strapped the Velcro in the back. I'm gonna just spray the hair a little bit. Just loosen it up some. Ciao. Okay, so maybe it wasn't secure. Let me try that again. Let me try putting the combs in because I honestly didn't really put the combs in. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so now I'm using the combs. Okay, yeah, that feels secure. I feel like it's, does that look too far? I guess it don't matter. I'm gonna put a scarf on it. Okay, so I'm strapping the Velcro in the back. There we go. There we go. This is cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue spraying. And it's on there now, it's not flipping off. So if you get a headband wig, make sure you put the combs in your head. Otherwise it's gonna fall off. But I'm just spraying it down with a little bit of water. And I'm gonna take my Denman brush to kind of define the curls a little bit. Okay, and as for the headband, I meant to go to the hair store and grab one, but I didn't because I don't really wear headbands like that. But I do have this scarf that I'm just gonna fold up like a headband. Okay, so I finally got the scarf all tied, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to tie it on my head. Y'all, this is really cute. It looks so natural, and you can just throw this on if you're going to the store and you ain't got your wig on, or if you have last minute plans or something and your hair is not done, you can just throw on your headband wig. Uh-oh.
My bad, it really stopped. Hope it's a girl.
Okay. So there it goes. Y'all, this was so easy. Like, it literally takes 30 seconds to put on. So yeah, y'all, this is the final look. Here's my edges up close. But yes, it's super cute and it's super easy to use. So yeah, y'all. Okay, y'all, that wraps up this video. So make sure you check out Petalwigs on Instagram and also take a look at their site. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And also give me a follow on my Twitter and Instagram, which I will put right here. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.